Hi, I'm Casey. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be the first thrift with me of the new year, 2025. And I also haven't made a fun thrifting video in a minute, so I'm excited to be making one for you guys. How good is it going to be? I don't know. But it's always a fun journey. My AirPods charge, not at all, but whatever. Starting off our thrift trip with these purple pants with this like horse embroidered pattern on the butt. What? I looked at the skirts, nothing too interesting. This pinstripe one was super unique with these like asymmetrical hems and this ruffled bottom. These strappy flats were cute, little button detail. Couple neat bags. I like this leopard print, but it was damaged. This vintage dress was beautiful. Look at the ruffles on the bottom. This fake Balmain I thought was actually really cute, but these Skechers Uggs dupes, love them. Some platform flip-flops, so Y2K, and these Harley boots were so cool. Don't fall in the pothole. Our next stop, we started in the dresses. We found some really great dresses. Look at the print on this Y2K Venus dress. Oh my goodness, this was the best one. This kind of was giving draft more than leopard print. I like the color of this dress. And look at all the beautiful florals. And this is such a fun, like, boho-y dress. I found this suede skirt. And the shoes, I just found, I think, these Crocs. Why do I kind of love these? These, like, suede pointed toe shoes were cute. Here's a try-on. This top was super cool, but not my vibe. I love this yellow top, the open knit. These shorts were cute with this, like, patchwork. They fit me really nice. I wish I would have got this top. Look how cute it is. Oh my god, I regret not getting it. These butter yellow little mini shorts, they were so cute. This is another regret. I should have got this dress. Oh my god. Look at this green Y2K top with the waist tie and this tiered skirt. I was disappointed that this dress looked fugly, and these platforms were super hot. Our next stop, we started in these skirts. I think I like the buttons on that skirt. Then I found this Forever 21 set. I love this. I had to get this. It's so cute. It fits me so good. I love it. I found this pink floral print skirt. Another regret. Why didn't I get this? I love it. It's so cute. I think the fold over on that skirt caught my eye, but then I saw this pink and black striped skirt. Wow, love that. This was a super fun dress. And look at these shoes. Hey you guys. So this is another day and another thrifting trip. Of course I'm taking you along with me. Let's go see what we find. Are you ready for another annoying voiceover? Here we go. Look at these dolls. They're kind of fabulous. This red bag. Love the double pockets. This XOXO bag. A nice white eyelet dress. I did get these Pumas. They're pretty cool. Just another sporty flat. I have those literal Asics. Look at the bows on those. This shirt was so funny. Nothing too exciting, really. I found this like striped polo. Love the green color. And then I found this like sequin top. Super cool, but not the style I was looking for. I thought that this fur bag was kind of neat. Cute floral print with a little heart charm. This vintage skirt suit set was so cool. Such a cool vintage find. This lace-up back. Always love a little lace-up feature. And I'm loving the yellow color this season. I didn't find much at this next stop, but look at this fake suede like trench coat and these tote bags. I love the stripes on this one. This distressed denim top was super unique for sure. And this leather bag was super nice. Our next stop, I found these super cool Hunger Games like merchandise boxes and this vintage fur. It was so soft. Love the color of this leather sort of blazer jacket. I also am really loving this darker denim color. Look at the pinstripes on these shorts. I did find this pair of pants in that sort of dark indigo blue. They were a little big though. So were the pinstripe shorts. I really wanted them to fit. They're so cool. I did find these gingham print sort of pajama bottoms. I did get them, but they did have this hole in them. Oh, and look at this leather jacket. It kind of has this like gold sheen to it. Then I dropped off some packages. At the next stop, I started in the sweater tops section. I like the lace at the bottom of this one, and I like the doily button detail on this sparkly purple cardigan. I like this houndstooth top. It was silk, but it fit me weird. I like the button details on this striped top. Look at this funky vintage sweater. So fun. Of course, I love this light pink zip up. I had to get it. And I think this Ed Hardy piece is one of the most unique Ed Hardy Y2K pieces I've ever seen. A nice sheer lace long sleeve top. And look how precious this vintage sweater is. Some more stripes for you. And I like the little collar on this black and white knit sweater. And look at this 90s Forever 21 ribbed top. How perfect. Loki should have got these to go with that pink zip up. They were so cute. Look at this Hello Kitty. $48 though. Read my lips. Look at this floral embroidered denim dress. So cute. Look at this blue floral print dress. They had this whole rack of vintage like skirt suit sets. So many cool ones. My favorite ones are the last two. Look at the colors on this one. The burgundy, the velour, the buttons. So cute. And this like floral sort of wrap. I found a couple cute skirts, a nice little boho-y print, and an eyelet lace pleated skirt. I definitely got that jacket. It was half off. And we're not done yet. I like this sheer DKNY top. Look at this vintage dress with these rhinestones all over. I like this sort of schoolgirl dress. I liked this dress, the sort of like pocket details. These shoes sum up this store. Just kind of random. I love this big Guess bag with all the studs. Then we ran over to the Goodwill in the other town we were in. We started in the skirts, which honestly was pretty strong. Look at this gunmetal gray sort of pleated skirt. This like layered denim skirt. I love this Betsy Johnson knit skirt. I had to pick this one up. And this Y2K Juicy Couture sequin skirt. I love a good 2000 skirt, so I got this one too. And this like burgundy colored snake print one, it was giving. This 90s wrapper velour skirt. Like I said, the skirts were everything. I like this dress. I like the adjustable waist, the color, the sort of wrap style top. I thought this was cute, but it was kind of giving grandma nighty. I like this striped Y2K top and this butter yellow zip up with this like ruffled neckline. I thought I had a try on, but I don't know what happened to those clips. I did find these cute pants. I didn't get them. And then I was meeting my friend for dinner. Here's a little montage of that. We got crumble cookie. It was so yummy. And then I headed home for the night. Excuse my miscounting because this was my fourth time out. I found this denim jumpsuit, but it was too big for me. I did find this limited burgundy colored mini skirt, super cute. This like velour 90s dress and this denim mini skirt, love those. Found a couple more Y2K dresses. I love this brown one with the ruffle. I loved this denim jumpsuit and this city triangles dress with these butterflies. Oh my goodness. And another strong denim piece. I found this like Brandy Melville t-shirt and this white top. Another little Y2K striped top with these like studs. And these Harley Davidson sandals. I love these boots. I definitely got those. And these like 90s Mootsie Tootsies little kitten heels. Look at these leopard print loafers. I really liked this brown colored sort of denim button up and this little striped jacket. A little corduroy pencil skirt. Look how unique and neat this vintage dress was. Back at Goodwill, I loved this mint green polka dot print and this sort of crinkly pleated skirt. I love this vintage wool Pendleton skirt. They're always so nice to find. Look at these butter yellow cargos. Why didn't I get those? I love this Old Navy stripe set. A nice little crocheted cover up, and I thought this was a cute cover up piece too. I like the studs on the shorts, and I like these polka dots. I did find this bright green sleeveless linen top. Super nice. I had to pick that one up. I like the color of this one too. Nice little vintage style. Nice little lace baby doll. I love the ruffly sleeves. Some little fringe boots. Look at these vintage sparkly heels. Look at these cowboy boots. I didn't need them, so I didn't get them. Look at these sparkly shoes. Look at these gladiator sandals. They were a mess. Did not get those. Just some more fun shoes. I did find this like sort of lilac colored suede jacket and this knit top. I love this Argyle top. Not my size though. Another day, another thrift trip. I found a couple cute tote bags. I love that sort of wicker one. Some nice bags. I like the red one. I should have got this yellow clutch. What the heck? Another nice little burgundy blazer top. I love this sort of skater boy oversized t-shirt. Such a nice leather jacket. $50. They had a bunch of beautiful vintage dresses to say. Look at this gold beaded one with the fringe. I love the pink one, of course. Look at the beading on this blue one. The lighthouses were pretty cute. I like this green sweater. Didn't get it. Some more suede boots with a little buckle. I like this sort of floral print tie. Look at the little people on this one. I love how bright red that is. And look at this pink ombre dress with little ruffles at the bottom. Look at this sheer pink dress. And this one. I love this sort of western styled button up. A couple cute purses at this next stop. Nothing too crazy. You know how it is thrifting. You have good weeks and you have slow weeks. I thought that Calvin Klein dress was nice, and floral embroidery on that skirt. A little pastel yellow baby doll button up, and I'm gonna get this silver jacket when I go back.